If you're planning to run accessories like the Ciro drink holder or smartphone holder on your Can-Am Canyon, this is the mounting solution that brings it all together. This mount utilizes your factory mirror location to create a secure, low-profile mounting position that keeps your accessories within easy reach while maintaining a clean, factory-style look. It features a 5/8" ball mount, making it fully compatible with Ciro's lineup of accessories, so you can easily build out your setup to match your riding style. Installation is straightforward. Just remove your mirror by loosening at the base with a 17mm wrench. Then, add the accessory mount to the bottom of the mirror, followed by the included lock washer. And tighten it back down without over-tightening. Then, just add the included bolt through the backside of the mirror mount and thread it into the ball post like so. Then just tighten it down securely with two 3/16 Allen wrenches. To mount an accessory, simply slide the threaded collar over the ball mount, position your accessory, then hand tighten the collar to secure it in place. Once installed, it gives you a stable and reliable mounting solution that keeps your accessories right where you need them. To grab one for your Can-Am Canyon, be sure to head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching.